Hello, and welcome to another episode of Brands. I'm Marc Brand from Alpha Controls. Whether you're eating a meal or taking medication, you might not realize the amount of strict guidelines that are happening in the background to ensure everything is safe and consistent for consumption. Today we're going to dive into the critical balance between quality control and regulatory compliance. We're going to look at why they're different, how they help shape pharmaceutical and food manufacturing, and what instruments are used to make all this possible. Let's get started. What's the difference between quality control and regulatory compliance? So think of it this way. Quality control is what a company can do for itself, while regulatory compliance is what it must do for everybody else. Quality control is all about the standards you set for your own products. It's the testing and the training to ensure consistency and customer satisfaction each and every time. So say you're manufacturing ketchup. You might want to test each and every batch to ensure that it tastes the same and it looks the same before it ever leaves your plant. Regulatory compliance, on the other hand, is all about meeting those strict rules and laws set out by outside agencies. It's not an option, it's mandatory, and it's set there for public health and safety. Now, when companies adhere to both, the benefits are clear. Smoother operations, safer workplace, and happier customers. For the purpose of this video, we're going to focus in on the mandatory regulatory requirements for both the food and pharmaceutical industries, two verticals that Alpha's been servicing for over 40 years. Let's start with the pharmaceutical industry. One of the main guidelines is GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practice. GMP compliance means following very strict rules to ensure healthcare products are both safe, effective, and consistent. It covers everything from how they're made, where they're made, and even who's making them. Now, to make sure nothing slips through the cracks, regulatory bodies like FDA and Health Canada conduct regular audits and check every step of your process to ensure nothing slips through the cracks and product safety is never compromised. Regulatory compliance in the food industry is all about what ends up on your plate is safe, consistent, and honestly labeled. This can include preventative systems such as the HACCP and regular audits conducted by the Canadian Food Inspection Agency. At the end of the day, compliance isn't just about following the law. It's about delivering safe food, customer trust, and keeping your business running smoothly. Now, this wouldn't be a Brands video if I didn't somehow bring up instrumentation. Instrumentation is part of the magic that makes all this happen. Now, in food and pharmaceutical manufacturing, there's a few different types of instrumentation that stands out. The first one we're going to talk about is environmental monitoring. They track things like temperature, RH, and air quality to ensure safe storage and production conditions. Pressure and flow instrumentation monitor things like sterilization, mixing, and even fluid transfer to keep processes safe and accurate. And lastly, there's data logging and compliance software. They measure and store all the important readings so that companies can prove compliance during an audit. I hope this episode helped you get a better understanding of quality control and regulatory compliance. Here at Alpha Controls, we've been servicing both these industries in both product sales, calibration, and validation services. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. As always, we're here to be your precision partner. So if there's a topic you'd like to learn more about, drop me a note in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode of Brands.